1. Power supply. In order to ensure the normal operation of the light-burning magnesium oxide ball press, the power supply should not be lower than the nominal value of the input voltage of the ball press. To grounding, light-burning magnesium oxide ball press, grounding is mainly divided into shell grounding and internal electrical grounding. Shell grounding is mainly used to prevent electrostatic accumulation, electrical leakage, etc. Outdoor ball machine is also specially equipped with external lightning protection measures. 3. Ground loop. Even if the equipment is effectively grounded, there are differences in the zero potential of different positions between the ball press and the central equipment, and the power load is unbalanced, which will still cause the grounding potential difference. For waterproof, outdoor ball press installation must do waterproof treatment. For suspension installation, there is a gap between the ball press and the bracket. 5. Heat dissipation. The heat dissipation problem of light-burning magnesium oxide ball press must also be considered.